Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide sensitive content on your account or X-Twitter event. First click on your profile, now click settings and privacy, and now click privacy and safety. Now click content you see and click search settings, and here you'll find it. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it. That's how to hide the sensitive content on your account on X-Twitter easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.